Or you want some?
No, we don't.
They ran out?
Yep.
It's not going to work because you need to have the cords work.
Where's the cord?
No, no. So, find it. Yeah, so once you find the chords, you can play that thing. But those aren't the right kind of discs for the dream.
So what do you think it is? What do you think it is?
I don't know.
What am I looking at?
There's chords going on, nobody cares about.
Karaoke machine? Yeah. They figure out what to do with the CDs finally.
Isaiah.
Karaoke had
Isaiah.
a slot to do.
Isaiah. I'm giving you an idea. If you don't listen, if you bring your iPad or your iPod, you can use that for the karaoke machine.
We know that close the window. Oh, vamos a ver Jack.
He said police car. Hold his hand. Hold his hand. Hold his, yes. Okay. Good. Just 3 more buses. Yeah, they blocked this all up. Can't nobody come in. This is a step. Where's CJ? Good. Thank you.
Maybe.
You tired? Ooh, 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 ooh. You saw Jose?
That's the store in Portuguese over there at the white tent.
up there somewhere.
They probably scared.
Yeah.
Your kids right there.
All I do is think about you. Oh my God.
If they drop me fast.
Oh my goodness. All I do is think about you.
He lucky. He getting off.
Oh, I know he wasn't feeling too good either.
Oh. Excuse me, man. I'm suing this place if they drop me
Already,
fast.
I'm trying to find out why they let CJ get on this. CJ is on this ride as we speak.
Is that the kids?
This is the person's responsible.
Alright, get faster, I guess it gets better.
Yeah, as long as I don't leave for it, I'm good.
Put your hands together like this for me, y'all. I can see y'all.
I thought it was gonna go like this.
No. That's no. Gotcha. Actually, you're not white. You're not black. Because black people sweat. Oh, you guys are done?
Hi, Sherly.
High five! You did it! Yay!
I'm looking for Christian Gaines. Where's Christian Gaines? Anybody know Christian Gaines?
You can get a whole bunch of these. We're going to be raffling these off, but more importantly, visit the tent, get the information, especially if your kids don't have some place to go during the day. Thank you.
Put it in your pocket.
Super, Cindy.
That's so awesome. So if your kids, you know, a lot of parents depend on that school lunch. And when it's summertime, that school lunch is no longer there. So make sure you visit the
Go out and come back in and get 2 more rappers.
All right, next break we'll be giving away. Let's go. I'ma show y'all a Latino zoo. Super City, what up? Sabes cuánto? Mami, tú estás bien buena. If you from Dade County, say yo.
Yo!
Come on, Super Sydney, they doing it like that? What? If you from Dade County, say yo.
Yo!
I want to talk to my ladies. Can I talk to? Matter of fact, I want a beautiful young lady to come up here with me, so I can talk to her. You see, I know I'm talking Spanish and all, but you see, love is just a connection. It's all a connection. So we gotta connect. Matter of fact, come here. Come here. You're not gonna get in trouble. Come on, please. Please. Drop it real quick while she walk over here. She gonna make a grand entrance.
You want french fries? You want french fries?
Con esa sonrisa tú me atrapaste y con tu beso tú me mataste. We're gonna keep it going, Miami. We're gonna give you some more live music. And where's all my people? You watch how I move, you must let me for a play up here. Sherly said she feeling my side, she feeling my flow. The girl be willing they buy, and they say you can find me in the club. Bottle full of buzz, my mind got what you need. You need to feel a buzz.
Yeah. Like CJ being independent, being able to get on rides multiple times. He got on that little pro ride 4 times actually. 4 times. He got on the coaster twice.
Yeah.
Oh, those go. So block party you see is here. Look to this.
John, look at the amount that they have. Look, mommy. Oh, mommy, like my mom's here. But look at that. OMG.
$few $100 on some.
Yes.
That's a few $100.
You're scared? We're almost home, baby. Don't worry. We're almost home. We're trying to get straight to the house so that we don't have to hear any more fireworks, okay?
Cab driver trying to
Okay, CJ?
Wow.
How you saying wow, but you keep saying it's too loud? And then saying we need to get out.